Well, this is the worst summer weather I can ever remember. Almost over a week and a half of southwesterlies and rain and cloud and cold. Normally this time of year we would be at the beach every day, but no, we're catching up. We're catching up on all of the work we should have caught up on during the previous year. So now I'm going to show you what I do with the compost, old compost. I've been weeding out the garden, so all the old weeds and plants and clearing it out are going to go into new compost, and I'm going to use the compost at the bottom of this here to put in the tunnel house to boost growth, and with some of the outside plants as well. So that way I've got the old compost which I haven't used, which I'm going to mix in with the new weeds here, or new weeds or plant samples, and then in 6 months time I'll have new compost at the bottom, just like we've got new compost at the bottom here, but turn it all over, mixed up with compost, bit of blood and bone, bit of seaweed, bit of lime, Bob's your uncle, really enriched compost, so which is much better than the commercially bought compost. So when you mix in all your own plant material and a bit of extra blood and bone and stuff. So yeah, I'll just show you a bit about how I do that.
What we can see here is the bottom layer, which has been composting away for over 6 months now. It's the original compost I made from spring material from the garden, which I mixed in with the early compost, and now I have built up the layers over time with new layers of green material from the garden. So now it's time to turn it all in and put the newest green material on the bottom and start from there.
Bit of Dolomite Lime. Now I got down to the bottom layer. This layer, apart from a few sticks and pieces, this layer is good to go on the garden now. In particular, it's going to go on the tunnel house, and then the zucchinis, and then the strawberries. I think even the outside strawberries will get an extra layer of compost. So it's all good to go after all that, because this is 6 months or older, and all the green material is now decomposed, apart from bits and pieces like this, which I'll just chuck next door. So, car pie, get into it.